No one tells you this secret: gratitude multiplies what you have. The more you say thank you, the more reasons life gives you to be thankful. When you wake up and whisper thank you for another day. When you smile and say thank you for your breath, your health, your family. When you silently thank the universe for small things, like the sun shining, the air you breathe, the food on your table, you are telling life that you are ready for more blessings. Try this, for the next 7 days, every morning and every night, simply say thank you, universe. Say it from your heart. Watch how your life begins to open up with new opportunities, peace, and joy. Gratitude is not just about good manners, it's a hidden law of the universe. When you are thankful for what you already have, life blesses you with more. Remember, gratitude is the key that unlocks abundance. Take a moment right now to pause, breathe, and say, thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Watch Secrets Which No One Tells to do manifestation faster in our Shorts series and Manifestation Rules. Watch videos on manifestation in our channel Driftudio. Watch Manifest Faster, No Manifestation Missing Key video. Unlock Abundance and Manifest Your Dream Life video in our channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more daily manifestation and gratitude practices.